Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you a healthier fried rice which I added lots of superfoods. By adding a bowl of chopped kale, diced carrots, 2 eggs and some Chinese sausages, this fried rice made with brown basmati rice has less calories and is packed with nutrients. I'm a cook whose passion is to strive to make healthy food delicious. Who says healthy food is just salad? Check my cooking channel out and find recipes that are healthy and at the same time delicious. Plus, most recipes can be cooked in minutes and is bargain friendly as well. So wait no more. Hit the subscribe and like button because everyone loves a good, delicious recipe that is also good for the wallet and hassle-free as well. In the past, fried rice was always made with leftover white rice. With recent changes to eating habits and lifestyle, where people are focusing more on low-calorie meals, I decided to make fried rice with some leftover brown basmati rice. And why not? Simple ingredients and a fast stir fry will make you this meal ready in minutes. This recipe is ready in 10 to 15 minutes. First is to saute the garlic till fragrant with some oil. Once the edges brown slightly, go ahead and add the Chinese sausages and saute till the edges are brown as well. Remember, the Chinese sausages are optional. You can omit this. Next, add chopped carrots. I'm using about 1 carrot. And throw in some chopped curl leafy kale. Then I put in this leftover brown rice. I always cook a little bit more rice, maybe half a cup more the day before. If I know I have a busy day, I will always have leftover rice so I can whip up this simple fried rice and have something better than takeout. Good for the stomach, good for the wallet. Plus, this is faster than calling Uber Eats or Grab food. Just stir fry and then crack 2 eggs. Season with some pepper, salt and a dash of soy sauce. For a secret sauce, add some chili paste if you like a tinge of spiciness, and this gives you a delicate flavor to this dish. Adding kale adds antioxidants, vitamin C, K and beta-carotene. Kale is a superfood and this is an interesting way to eat it. This supports eye health, weight management, heart health and more. Kale is one of the most nutritious leafy greens available. Carrots needs no introduction. Our mothers always reminds us that this boosts immune system, strengthens bones, help lose weight, and it adds natural sweetness to this dish. Go ahead and put some carrots in. I'm using 1 whole carrot chopped out. Please check out all my other recipes, the saucing techniques, and how adapting modern tools can improve the cooking process. The aim is to strive for a hassle-free, budget-friendly and nourishing meals. Oh, don't forget, the delicious factor is a must. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel to get new videos that will be uploaded every Thursday. Sometimes there is also a bonus video that gets thrown in to share more deliciousness. Life needs more of that. Until then, see you next time. Enjoy the fried rice. Let me know in the comments below if you like fried rice if this is something that you cook in your home. Have a good day. Bye bye.